Hello everyone, welcome to the Alpha Hustle. Here is a daily review of Nifty and Bank Nifty on how market auction today, what markets failed to do with important references for tomorrow's auction. Let's quickly get started. Let's start with the review of Nifty. What a roller coaster ride this weekly expiry has been. An unexpected lower open for the market at the back of spooky US yield surge last night. So the market stopped its one-time framing to the upside. Sellers from the open expected a similar action to Friday, who attempted to fill the gap. Responsive buyers appeared right near the gap low to shut off the selling. This is quite a mechanical low, and gap has not been fully revisited. This is a weak reference to carry forward. The spot trade facilitation by the sellers started the auction to the upside back into yesterday's value area by extending the range above the initial balance. However, the buyers too are not strong enough to hold the rally and liquidated towards end of the day back into the initial balance. Neither the buyers nor the sellers were in control of the auction today. Any open into today's range is likely to be choppy again. Important references for tomorrow. On the upside, rejection from today's close and if 15080, 15100 is held, market has odds to probe for a retest of poor highs left today. Any acceptance above today's high is likely to head for a probe of yesterday's high. While on the downside, acceptance below 15080 has odds for a test of weak lows left today and revisit the gap if buyers are still interested on the upside. If market finds acceptance back in Tuesday's range, sellers may target for a PPOC at 14,860. Similar auction in Bank Nifty 2 with the only difference of gap not being present. So let's jump on to the references. HVN of 35,600 and 35,800 is likely to provide some demand, while the HVN at 34,400, 34,600 is likely to provide some supply. So the references to the upside, acceptance above 36K is likely to probe today's high, followed by yesterday's high of 36,600, above which prices may get into the prior distribution zone of 36,800, 37,400. References to the downside, any acceptance within the HVN of 35,600 and 35,800 could continue the one-time framing to the downside to probe the PPOC at 35,240 and week low at 34,983. That's all for today. Thank you very much for joining and listening. If you find this content useful, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.